The thing about it is, I'm afraid of my own potential. What if what I have is essential to the world? My gifts are fluent enough to make mountains move. The little that I got is a lot, and here I am doubting myself, questioning if I'm good enough while the days are just passing me by. I looked myself in the eye with no more tears to cry, and I said, we're all that we got. Ready or not, we're jumping in. When you make friends with your enemy, you have no other option but sink or swim. Either way, you win because you tried. On this day, I decided to stop living my life on autopilot. And it might be small to some, but I tried a new park. I usually go to the same park every day. But this particular day, I decided to try something new. And I went somewhere else to walk. And of course, it was out of my comfort zone. But sometimes there's no growth in the comfort zone, and you have to get out. Like, there's no choice. You can see the fall is slowly approaching us. The leaves are falling. And this is telling me that just because some things have worked before, it's okay to allow them to fall away. So here I got to the fork in the road, and it was like, you can go left or you can go right. Either way, there's no bad decision, and it's okay to travel the road less traveled. As I continued to walk, all I could think of was you just gotta keep going. No matter, you don't know where you're going, no matter what, just keep going. Because you'll end up somewhere soon. And life is a journey, not a destination. So as long as I keep it pushing, I'll be okay. Because at the end of the day, I'll end up somewhere instead of nowhere. You know what I mean? I really won't go down there.
I just wanna love myself. 난 좋을 때도 나쁠 때도 love my weakness. 화려했던 기대와는 달리 왠지 볼품없다 해도 find the good part, the good part.